So next up, we have a message from Team Impact. Team Impact is an organization that tackles the emotional trauma and social isolation experienced by children facing chronic illnesses by matching them with a college athletic team. Throughout Team Impact's 2-year therapeutic program, children develop relationships and skills that help them complete the full circle of healing. This message from Team Impact was developed to be displayed in our Kidney Camper program, and I thought it would be wonderful if I can share it with all of you today. So here is Kiernan, who will deliver the message.
Hello, everyone. I hope you all are having so much fun at camp this year with the National Kidney Foundation of Illinois. My name is Kiernan McGeehan, and I'm the Regional Director of Programs for the Midwest with Team Impact. We are so excited to partner with NKFI to provide as much support as we can for kidney families across the state of Illinois, and I'm very excited to be here to tell you more about Team Impact in our program. Team Impact is a national nonprofit that connects children faced with serious or chronic illnesses to their own college athletics team. So for 2 years, the child is deemed an official member of the team that we have them paired with, and they're able to engage with their student athlete teammate through different team activities, whether it be games, practices, team meetings, team meals, birthday parties, holiday parties. We really love to see our teams and families get as creative as they can through different activities that they choose to engage with each other in. So the children in our program, as I mentioned, have a serious or chronic medical condition and are typically faced with different social or emotional side effects of their diagnosis. Our goal is for our kids to really feel like they're just as member of their team as anybody else that coach has on their roster. And the way that we're able to do that is really give these kids a sense of camaraderie, teamwork, and provide a sense of belonging, which initially supports resiliency, empowerment, socialization, and health promotion. Each of our families works with a case manager that we have on staff. Each of our case managers are clinically trained and are either masters of social work or certified child life specialists, and they're able to work with our teams and families throughout the program to provide any type of activity facilitation, general match support throughout the program, and really are here as a form of support for you all in order for you to have the best experience as you can through your involvement with Team Impact. We work with a number of institutions in Illinois. Lots of different colleges and universities currently have matches on campus. I provided a list for you here, but of course we work with a handful of other institutions across the state of Illinois. Throughout the last year, we've had to sort of make a virtual shift in our program. The case managers that I was referring to earlier have come up with a library of about 50 to 60 different virtual huddles, which are about half-hour to hour-long activities that our teams and families are engaging with each other over Zoom. Each of these virtual huddles are facilitated by a case manager, again, to ensure that you all have the most support that you can through your engagement or through your communication with the team that we have you paired with. We do view Team Impact as a family-centered program, so we want our student athletes and teams to be here for your entire family unit. We certainly encourage siblings to be involved in the program as much as they feel comfortable, as much as your family feels comfortable, and really just want our student athletes, again, to be here as a support system for your entire family. We do have a bit of eligibility criteria for the families that we have in our program. We work with children and adolescents anywhere between ages 5 and 16 years old with a serious or chronic medical condition. And again, typically see that the kids in our program are faced with the same social and emotional side effects of their diagnosis. We really want our teammates and student athletes to be able to provide that space for the kids that they're paired with to make meaningful, long-lasting relationships and really feel that support from their student athletes in order to help overcome some of those social and emotional side effects that they're experiencing. From our parents, we do require them to engage in phone calls with our case management staff to ensure that your goals are being met, and again, to ensure that your child is having the best experience possible through Team Impact. Because of our virtual programming and lots of email communication, we do also require access to an internet-based platform as well. To apply to our program, I would direct you to www.teamimpact.org. And if you follow the Families tab on our page, there is an Apply as a Family form. That form takes about 2 or 3 minutes to complete. And once it's done, one of our matchup specialists will be in touch with you to schedule a phone call to go over our program and talk to you more about program details, as well as learn as much as we can about your child and his or her medical journey. Thank you again for taking the time to learn about Team Impact, and we are so excited to see you all soon.
All right, well, thank you for that, Kiernan. You can visit www.teamimpact.org to learn more. Here are some of our upcoming programs. We have our Take Charge Chronic Disease Self-Management this summer. So you can head on over to our website, www.nkfi.org, to look up the details and sign up. We also have our Kids Living with Kidney Disease and Transplantation program coming up, our Living with Kidney Disease and Transplantation for adults, both English and Spanish, also coming up. And again, we do have our Journey Continues podcast for you to listen. And some of our upcoming NKFI events, we do have a walk for kidneys on June 27th at Montrose Harbor in Chicago, Illinois, which will be also a wonderful time. So again, you can visit our website to learn more about it and to register you or your group or your family, your team. So we hope to see you there. So thank you so much for joining us today on the Teens and Young Adults Living with Kidney Disease and Transplantation. Have a good weekend, everyone.